Are you over 50 and concerned about your bone health? Did you know that apple cider vinegar can help improve bone density?
In this video, we'll explore how apple cider vinegar can benefit your bone health after 50.
As we age, our bones can become weaker and more prone to fractures. But studies have shown that drinking apple cider vinegar can help improve bone density. Apple cider vinegar is rich in minerals such as calcium and magnesium, which are essential for strong bones. Additionally, it can help improve the absorption of these minerals by the body. To see the best results, try incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. You can add it to water or use it as a salad dressing. Just be sure to dilute it and start with a small amount to avoid any discomfort. We hope this video has convinced you to try apple cider vinegar for improved bone health. As always, be sure to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health routine. If you want more apple cider vinegar information, read the description down below.
Or watch the next video on the right.